Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Google Drive for the first time on iPhone. First of all, install Google Drive on your iPhone and then sign in into your Google account. Then tap the plus button to upload files, create folders or scan documents. Then open a file to preview like this one, and then you can tap the three dots to share it, move or start it. Then use backup settings to sync photos or files automatically. Safety tip: safety tip: adjust sharing permissions to restricted unless you intentionally share with others. Quick fix: if uploads don't appear, refresh the app or force close and reopen Drive. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.